एक मकान में बहुत सारी चीजें होती है जी, वेंटिलेशन है ना, लाइट, आदमी को अपने बेडरूम में प्राइवेसी चाहिए।
कहीं गड़बड़ हो जाती है तो क्लाइंट को बोल देते हैं शादी गड़बड़ हो गई।
I think always I can see these amazing doctors are they love their challenges any which way.
लोगों को ज्यादा जैजी आउटलुक पे जाने की जगह ट्रस्ट करना चाहिए बिल्डर पे, उसके बैकग्राउंड पे, जो आपको स्ट्रॉन्ग इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर प्रोवाइड करवा पाए रादर देन।
अच्छा लगता है पहले पहले इनफैक्ट कहते बारी कि वो बिल्डिंग कब तक चलेगी, इसका
Exactly.
कंक्रीट स्ट्रक्चर कैसा है, उसकी फिनिशिंग जो everything is fine the first couple of years.
देयर आर ट्रस्ट इश्यूज, देयर आर
There are trust
कमिटमेंट
issues.
इश्यूज।
Yeah.
जो बोला वो नहीं मिला, जितना
Exactly.
टाइम में बोला वो नहीं मिला, बहुत सारी बातें हैं।
Second thing, if you can buy it from a trustworthy builder, फिर आप ये alterations भी कर सकते हैं उसमें. It will be easy और price पर थोड़ा कम मिल सकता है आपको उसमें.
एग्जैक्टली।
You'll help the builder, you help yourself, and you'll help mankind. Welcome back to the Law Guru Show, the show where we talk to people who are shaping India's urban future. Today we have two amazing doctors who are an integral part. In fact, they're the founders of Apex Buildtech. Well, talk to them about how being doctors, they become builders and doing a great job in both the professions. So let me welcome Dr. Ashish Gupta and Dr. Amit Gupta. Welcome to the Law Guru Show, sir.
थैंक यू सचिन।
Great. Well, firstly, let's talk about what kind of doctors are you guys? Do you guys specialize in something?
Yes, I am an ENT surgeon
Okay.
and I practice in Faridabad. I have two hospitals
Okay. Great.
based in Faridabad.
Oh, lovely. So ENT specialist and an amazing builder now. Great.
I am Dr. Ashish Gupta. I am a pathologist by qualification. We are both brothers and we started our journey in, I think, 2000. As doctors, we started our practice.
Real brothers?
Yeah.
Oh.
He is elder to me, I am younger. It's a 1 year difference. Then we started our own practice. Then we made one hospital. Then we made another hospital in Faridabad. And after almost 16 or 17 years down the line, we thought we would start another clinic, super specialty clinic in Delhi.
Lovely.
So that's how the idea came up.
Okay, fantastic.
The next journey, Dr. Amit will tell.
And firstly, they say if brothers work together, तो एक और 11 हो जाते हैं. It's like 11 people and the sky is the limit. Exactly. Sir, ये Apex Builder नाम कहाँ से आया आपके दिमाग पे?
Actually, we were looking for a space to establish a multi-specialty clinics in Delhi. So incidentally, found a ground floor of one property in GK2. Refurbishing it, so the building get accumulated.
Okay.
Everybody wanted to sell their product, their floors to us. So building got accumulated. We demolished it and we constructed it.
Okay, you didn't like the way it was set up earlier.
No, it was an old building,
Okay.
almost 30 years old.
Okay.
So we demolished the building. We started up with the new construction. We made our clinic as well and the floors for the residential purposes.
Lovely. And how many years back was this?
Almost 10, 11 years.
10 years. I'm sure it must have just gone by in a whisker. 1 decade just gone away.
So once the floors were sold to other people, then it became a referral work.
Okay.
They got the confidence of the buyers. They brought in more customers, and we just got into this profession of constructing more buildings.
That's how an ENT specialist and a pathologist became one of Delhi's premium builders today. Congratulations. Great,
Thank
sir.
you. Thank you.
All right. Anyone else in the business? Of course. कोई हमारे फूफा दादा इस बिजनेस में कोई और था बिल्डिंग की बिजनेस में?
We had interest in the real estate as an investor.
Okay.
We used to invest when we started up with our hospitals. We were only investing in the real estate.
तो सर मैं एक पूछना चाह रहा था इनफैक्ट एनी कजन्स और दूर के रिश्तेदार कोई हमारे इस इंडस्ट्री में थे रियल एस्टेट में?
नहीं इंडस्ट्री में कोई दूर के रिश्तेदार नहीं थे.
Okay.
And it is an accidentally we entered into the field.
Okay, great.
We just came here to develop our clinics and
became real
redevelop the
estate.
building.
And then basically your passion became a profession.
Yeah, it became a profession.
Any things that a lot of builders today are not very ethical, I must say, in fact, and people are very wary of buying new buildings and new floors today's day and age. सब कुछ अच्छा लगता है पहले in fact. Then they worry कि वो building कब तक चलेगी, उसका
Exactly.
concrete structure कैसा है, उसकी finishing जो everything is fine the first couple of years. Is
There are
that-
trust issues, there
There
are
are trust
commitment
issues.
issues.
yeah,
जो बोला वो नहीं मिला, जितना
exactly.
टाइम में बोला वो नहीं मिला, बहुत सारी बातें हैं.
So how do you make sure in your buildings that the building will last maybe 30, 50, 100 years?
It is basically the structure,
Yes.
because which a client cannot see.
Hmm.
The structure part is the most important thing. So no compromise in the structure. Interiors can be changed anytime.
Exactly. The structure cannot be changed.
Structure
Once
cannot
it's done,
be
it's
changed. When
done.
it is done.
Structure is the backbone.
It is the backbone of any.
Are you using any modern materials as well? Like today, they use different kind of bricks are used to make the buildings faster now instead of conventional bricks. Are you guys using any of that as well?
Fly ash bricks are there.
Hmm.
They are lighter in weight. So structure does not become heavy.
Okay. But they
This
say
is
that
the
it's,
basic advantage.
it's more breathable as well,
More
right?
breathable.
Times are changing. You have to stay updated with the latest
Exactly.
trend.
And it's done faster. The work
Yeah,
also
the
is
work
faster
is-
with
yeah,
flash
yeah.
bricks. Well, जैसे आप फ्लैश ब्रिक्स की बात कर रहे हैं, all this new construction material की बात कर रहे हैं, I've also heard that you talk a lot about thoughtful design and sustainable luxury as well. Any thoughts on that?
It is most important to design a building.
Hmm, hmm.
Some plots are rectangular, so you can design in a way to be 3-bedroom, 3 toilets. But some of the buildings are odd shaped.
Yes,
So designing becomes the most important part. फिर उसका outcome.
exactly. I think always I can see these amazing doctors they love their challenges any which way. Great.
एक मकान में बहुत सारी चीजें होती है जी, वेंटिलेशन, है ना, लाइट, आदमी को अपने बेडरूम में प्राइवेसी चाहिए, ना, ये सारी चीजें बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट हैं.
और
Also-
design का part है.
Design के part. And I think Vastu is also
Vastu
very
is
important.
very important.
Very important.
But it should not be considered because Vastu was designed for a community. It was
Okay.
not defined for a 160 square yard plot or 300 square yard.
But
So
see,
there are
आजकल
some
हाँ.
constraints. कि Vastu compliance is not practically possible in every building.
a lot of buildings is not possible actually. And a lot of people they say that northeast में नहीं होगा.
It's all
bathroom-
workable. सारी चीजों के solutions हैं.
Just I want to have these questions from big builders because a lot of times northeast वाला जो bathroom किया, this is the biggest thing. See, every
हमारे को
vastu
ये
consultant बोलता है ना कि भाई नहीं तो आपका business खराब हो जाएगा,
हमारे को
आपके पापा की health खराब हो जाएगी.
हमारे को ये challenges आए दिन देखने को मिलते हैं.
Hmm.
The client comes and say the Vastu compliance has become more important.
But I'm saying, do we see? We are all in our 50s right
हाँ.
now. When we made our first house, it wasn't that much.
हाँ.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं था. मतलब you also had led a successful life still did. ऐसा तो कुछ नहीं हुआ कि भाई सब कुछ खत्म हो गया या मतलब ऐसे हो गया किसी की, you know.
We have all through lived our life in a south facing house.
Hmm.
It has a beautiful sunlight.
Exactly.
We did very well in our lives. We are happily placed. We are happily married. So really, I don't think how much difference does it make. But
Exactly.
it's all a mindset.
It's all a matter.
It's all-
I'm not saying it's wrong, sir, but I don't think people should be so anal about it.
Yeah.
कि मतलब अपना घर तुड़वा दिया पूरा का पूरा, उसको बाथरूम को बंद कर दिया पूरा का पूरा.
Exactly.
That's my personal feeling. आपका क्या नजरिया है इसके ऊपर?
बिल्कुल है.
ऐसा ही.
है ना? I think in your
One
own
should not-
houses.
One should not focus on Vastu because it is not practically possible. The remedies can be taken there.
जहाँ कर सकते हैं वहाँ कीजिए, मगर इतना मतलब पैनिक मत कीजिए कि
Panic
अगर
नहीं
नहीं है तो मतलब
हर चीज का सॉल्यूशन मैंने पहले ही
So
कहा.
we
हाँ.
consider कि हमारी बिल्डिंग्स जो हैं वास्तु compliance हो जाएं, but 100% वास्तु compliance is not possible. Smaller.
yeah. I think it was more about the right sunlight coming in.
Exactly.
It was more about practicality.
Practicality.
Each to its own. I'm not saying anything else, but I just say that what I feel is that people should not be anal about it. Sir, Apex Buildtech ने अच्छा impressive footprint बना लिया आज तक. GK1, GK2, CR Park Rajpath Nagar. Any personal favorites कोई इनमें से जो आपका personal favorite area या personal favorite जो आपने जो घर बनाया
वो
था
जोन
आपने?
ही फेवरेट था, साउथ दिल्ली.
अच्छा.
Sachin, it was a very vibrant place to work in.
Okay.
Educated people, a very rich community,
लिटरेट सोसाइटी.
literate society. So it is better. All
And
the
I'm-
places are so good. जितनी building develop करी तो they are all babies.
Yes. You can't discriminate
You
now.
can't
कि
discriminate.
वो उससे अच्छा है, ये उससे बेहतर है, ऐसे कुछ नहीं हो सकता. And I also feel that not just saying about South Delhi, but people who are maybe learned or maybe educated at a certain level, they would obviously understand that when doctors are builders, they will not compromise on small
Yes,
things at
yes.
all. That would have really helped you in your trust issues,
ट्रस्ट इश्यूज तो बिल्कुल बीइंग डॉक्टर्स ट्रस्ट तो बहुत ज्यादा इजीली मिल जाता है हमें लोगों
है
का
ना? So that was a big advantage.
we
We
stand to
delivered
it.
it.
We stand to it.
I'm sure. I'm very positive about that. You must have stood by it so strongly. Okay. So as an independent builder, big builders have these big data issues. कि बिल्डिंग नहीं बड़ी बिल्डिंग नहीं बनी तो रेरा की वजह से बहुत लोग बीच में फंस गए थे. With smaller communities and builder floors, रेरा तो कुछ ऐसा कुछ यहाँ तो कुछ सिस्टम नहीं है ना रेरा का ऐसा कुछ नहीं बस
More than 500 square yard, you go for a 1000 square yard, then you need a RERA.
अब शुरू हो गया.
plans. Otherwise, it is not. For a smaller projects of one.
But हमारे केस में तो we stand to our commitments. We deliver the projects in time.
I
That
know.
is.
हाँ, I guess
RERA
obviously
is made for the people who do not deliver it.
Exactly. When you have 10, 12 years of
Yeah.
legacy already, so I'm sure
जब आपकी सोच में ऑनेस्टी है, एथिक्स है, तो बात ही खत्म.
absolutely. They
And
say
moreover, we are practicing this as a hobby, not our
main profession
main
as such. Exactly. But hobby is an amazing hobby, I must say.
Yeah,
It's a
yeah.
fantastic hobby. And obviously that you building trust is very difficult. With one wrong move, one small compromise somewhere, the trust can be broken.
Yeah.
And I don't think nobody wants that, especially doctors whose legacy is built on trust.
कहीं गड़बड़ हो जाती है तो क्लाइंट को बोल देते हैं साहब ये गड़बड़ हो गई.
हमारे प्रोफेशन में
Honestly.
ना वैसे भी जैसे कोई सर्जरी होती है तो उसके बाद आफ्टर केयर इम्पोर्टेंट होता है. ऐसी
जी.
डिलीवरी के बाद भी हम आफ्टर केयर देते हैं.
Fantastic.
Which is
Advantage of being a doctor. And I must say, buy a house from a doctor. I'm telling you that you will get that post buying experience to be amazing. आजकल जैसे today everything is becoming digital now. You're using digital phones, digital watches now. What is your opinion on digital security? Throwing the keys away.
It's the need of the hour.
Need of the hour. Yes.
digitalization is very important. अभी वो पुराने जमाने ताले वाले चले गए.
पर लोग अभी थोड़ा डर लगता है लोगों को मतलब कि भाई ये स्मार्ट लॉक कहीं खराब ना हो जाए ये ऐसा ना हो जाए.
It's a matter of time.
It's a matter of time. So
People change.
रोज दिन रात हम स्मार्टफोन यूज करते हैं कुछ खराब थोड़ी होता है. 4, 5, 10 साल चलते हैं इनफैक्ट हमारे फोन्स. Unless you really have to, technology will change slightly.
थोड़ा सिक्योरिटी इश्यूज लगते हैं लोगों को कि डिजिटल से कुछ ऐसा तो नहीं है कि कोई और यूज कर ले कुछ और ना हो जाए. लेकिन वो एक फोबिया है. It's a matter of time only.
It's a matter of time.
It is a matter.
Because I spoke to another friend of mine's mother. I said, "Smart lock लगा लीजिए." My mom's a little apprehensive. But then I met her and I told her about the ease of use. Like suppose she's sleeping and the daughter's out somewhere in the middle of the night. Obviously she won't sleep till she comes back home. But at least she won't have to get up, in the sleep. She just know that mom, I'm home.
सचिन एक बार जिद करके ना लगवा.
लगवा दिया सर लगवा दिया मैंने अपने घर में तो लगाए हुए हैं.
जब यूज करेंगे.
एल्डरलीज को थोड़ा सा फोबिया तो है देखो टेक्नोलॉजी का. They do
हाँ.
not want to upgrade, but that is their
सर
problem.
लगवा दिया मैंने. And now she's so happy and she's thanking me.
हाँ.
ये आपने कर दिया. I'm so grateful.
जब कंप्यूटर
Very
आया
true.
था तो nobody was ready to accept it. But
Exactly.
everybody now is.
Yeah, you can't live without it.
You
It's
can't
an
live
integral
without it.
part
So
of your
technology has become a part of the living.
great doctors. What do you have to say about digital security? Is it the need of the hour? People should adopt it. And what is your opinion on it?
It is very important. Digitalization has become a need of the hour. Now nobody wants to carry so many keys
Exactly.
for the entrance of the house,
For the room
for the room.
separately.
Everybody has a help, so nobody wants his rooms to be private rooms to be entered by
Yeah.
servants or something like that. So it is need of the hour, and it is digitalization has become very important. You don't have to carry all the keys.
Very true. Your opinion, sir?
Yeah, life is getting simplified by technology.
Yes.
You have to stay updated.
If we don't, we lag behind. And why not use it instead?
It is a necessity. Now most of the people are working. You need security of your house. You need security of your rooms. You have domestic help and you have to take care of your belongings. So room safety is equally important. So digitalization makes the things easier because
Are people very worried about that somebody might break into the digital lock, etc., etc.? Do you
Not
have any
really.
customers talking about
For
things like that?
anything, you have a phobia in initial phase, but later on, I think confidence develops and the things get simplified.
The big locks will be in the antique zone of the
They
house.
will,
I think
huh.
the smart locks will be the
Smart
need of
lock
the
will be
hour.
the need of-
Exactly. That is also there. You know, I was just telling you, just sharing
मैं
a
आपको ऐसे
story with
बताता
you.
हूँ
हाँ
इंटरनेट
जी।
बैंकिंग को बहुत लोगों ने अपोज किया कि मेरा बैंक अकाउंट खाली हो जाएगा तो एवरी देयर वाज अ लॉट ऑफ रेजिस्टेंस then it is acceptable by each and every person.
Yeah, the banking is in your hand
Yeah,
right
it's
now.
in your
banking
hand.
भी है बैंक तो
इसके पास टाइम में जाने का सब कुछ करने का सो इजी सो कन्वीनियंट ना तो चेक्स फाड़ो डिमांड ड्राफ्ट बनवाओ सीधा आरटीजीएस करो सीधा फोन से करो सो कन्वीनियंट ना
तो टेक्नोलॉजी ने चीजें सिंप्लीफाई तो की हैं.
Absolutely. In fact, I'll tell you, I wanted to share a story with you. We play pickleball regularly in the morning. And a friend of mine, उसकी बात हमेशा बीच में आके बोलती है, चाबी देके जाती है, गेम के बीच में।
हाँ.
अच्छा भाई, तू इतना बड़ा इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट है, एक क्या सिस्टम चाबी का सिस्टम, वो तो मेरी वाइफ चेंज नहीं करती लॉक को। The next morning, I got it changed myself. Now she's so happy, and he's also happy. The game, main we are happy. The game doesn't get disturbed more than anything else.
मेरा सजेशन एक और है, वो पुराना लॉक भी रखिए और डिजिटलाइज भी करिए. थोड़े दिन में कॉन्फिडेंस आ जाएगा, पुराना लॉक हटवा दीजिए, नया रखिए.
हाँ, और सर उसकी चाबी दूंगी तो क्या करेंगे? वो चाबी कभी नहीं आएगी बीच में इनफैक्ट ओवर. तो एक बार पूरा झटका मारना पड़ेगा. जोर का झटका धीरे से मगर. What's coming next? What is coming next now? What is the future planning? Any interesting projects that we can see now? Which area are you guys working on?
We are mainly based in South Delhi.
Okay,
We'll stick to that.
We'll speak to them.
happy in that zone.
Happy in that.
Okay.
पीपल आर गुड. समझाना ज्यादा नहीं पड़ता है. लिटरेट सोसाइटी है, वो अपने काम के लिए थोड़े फंसी हो सकते हैं, लेकिन आपसे डे टू डे एक्टिविटीज में ज्यादा वो परेशान नहीं करते.
Okay. They want to see the good finished
Good,
product and they trust you on the structure any which way. So, वो reputation is sorted.
लोगों को ज्यादा जैजी आउटलुक पे जाने की जगह ट्रस्ट करना चाहिए बिल्डर पे, उसके बैकग्राउंड पे, जो आपको स्ट्रॉन्ग इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर प्रोवाइड करवा पाए रादर देन कॉस्मेटिक फिनिश.
And also after sales.
या आफ्टर सेल्स इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट.
After
Surgery?
sales becomes very in
सर्जरी
any
के बाद की केयर सबसे ज्यादा आवश्यक होती है.
in any of the businesses.
Yes.
After sales is it becomes a key for the
Yes.
success.
And who better understand about after sales than doctors, because they need to give that after surgery care. So I think these buildings are like your surgery for that matter. Post the surgery, need to look at care. To make that patient. The patient is not really the buyer, but he's like the god who comes in and gets treated by other gods who are doctors of our society. First word that comes to your mind when I say home.
A
Pehla shab.
comfortable space
Comfortable space.
to live in.
अ सैंक्चुरी.
Sanctuary, why not? Your favorite neighborhood in Delhi? Personally, not professionally, personally.
South Delhi.
South Delhi, पूरा South Delhi. उसमें कोई
It's a place where we work.
Yes,
So it is a workplace is a worship.
work is worship. And yours?
सेम सेम.
Is any particular area in South Delhi?
No.
अच्छा, पूरा
South
South Delhi.
Delhi is good.
हाँ, जहाँ भी थोड़ा इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर अच्छा हो, रोड्स बड़ी हो,
हाँ.
पार्किंग कहीं से मिल जाए. बस. Okay. One construction material you swear by.
Re-strengthening material of structure. RCC or
Hmm.
steel. Steel is the backbone of the society, backbone of any building.
Okay. Great.
Steel is more important.
Most important.
Most important.
Same.
You.
Again, say the building strength is
Yeah.
very important. It comes
Steel
by
with the
steel
lights.
and the concrete.
The right cement.
Actually, the structure is always important. Interior, so you can change anytime.
Absolutely. Every 10
Structure
years,
you
every 5
cannot-
years, you can change it.
It is very difficult to modify structure.
कभी modify कर सकते हैं तो पूरी बिल्डिंग तोड़नी
पूरी
पड़ेगी.
building-
हाँ बिल्कुल.
A trend in real estate that you feel is overrated.
चमक दमक
समझ
दिखा के क्लाइंट को फंसाया,
और बस
डिलीवर नहीं कर पाए.
deliver नहीं कर पाए. Exactly. I think classic stays forever. What do you think?
इट्स अ पर्सनल चॉइस एक्चुअली, बट ये जो कॉस्मेटिकली दिखा के लोग अट्रैक्ट कर लेते हैं, दैट इज द जो ओवररेटेड आपकी बात कर रहे हैं, दैट इज ऑल ओवररेटेड.
There are a lot of materials are used which will only last couple of years.
Yeah.
And you have to change it again and again. And yeah, you don't know what's inside that. Because ऊपर सब कुछ तो अच्छा है.
कॉस्मेटिक तो सब अपनी चॉइस हो सकता है ना, कभी भी करवा लीजिए.
Yes. A trend you think will be the future of the industry?
Digitalization is the most important thing. Yeah. Conventional तो हर आदमी बना रहा है. So you have to be if you have to be in the market, you have to accept the modern things which
Yes.
are available.
Move with the times.
Move with the time.
Yeah, digitalization and the things that are taking less time.
Making life
Faster.
more convenient.
Yeah.
Exactly. Digitalization is the key.
Yeah.
Absolutely. Okay, both of you are morning person or night owls. Where do you function? Which time do you function the
Early
best?
hours.
Earlier.
Early hours?
We get up early.
Oh, lovely. A lot of this system today has happened that people work till late, till 3 in the morning, 4 in the morning, get up at 12.
50 के बाद ना
हाँ.
कहते हैं ना कि मॉर्निंग के दोस्त होने चाहिए, शाम के कम.
Well said.
So you
well
have to
said.
start
Absolutely.
early.
You'll live longer and healthier.
Yeah.
Absolutely. Your biggest strength as a builder.
Honesty.
Timely.
Fantastic. Both the keys you've got. यहाँ तो कोई जरूरत ही नहीं है डिजाइन की, दोनों चाबियां मतलब सारी चाबियां आपके पास ही हैं. One thing home buyers should stop doing.
जैजी और दिखावे वाली चीजों को अवॉइड करके दे शुड थिंक मेरा जो घर होना चाहिए वो किस लोकेलिटी होना चाहिए, स्कूल कितने पास होने चाहिए, डेली एमिनिटीज कितनी क्लोजर होनी चाहिए, बिल्डिंग की स्ट्रेंथ कैसी होनी चाहिए, हम किससे प्रोडक्ट को परचेज कर रहे हैं, इज इट ट्रस्टवर्दी और नॉट. So these are things to be taken care of. जो भी हम चीज परचेज कर रहे हैं उसका टाइटल क्लियर है कि नहीं, कंस्ट्रक्शन क्वालिटी ठीक है कि नहीं, बिकॉज इट इज नॉट द प्रोडक्ट वी आर परचेजिंग फॉर वंस, इट इज टू बी रीसोल्ड. अगर टाइटल क्लियर नहीं है एंड इट इज हार्ड एंड मनी ऑफ द क्लाइंट्स, तो
आगे बेचने में बहुत प्रॉब्लम आ सकती है.
आगे बेचने में प्रॉब्लम आ सकती है. आप जो प्रोडक्ट खरीद रहे हो, मान लो अगर इफ द बिल्डर इज नॉट राइट पर्सन, not trustworthy, it can be a hassle, problems for him.
Absolutely.
So it is to these are the points to be taken care of.
These become very important.
These becomes very important.
Yeah. Don't compromise on the title deed for sure.
No, never.
Because कई लोग म्यूटेशन में ले लेते हैं,
हाँ.
फिर बाद में प्रॉब्लम
बाद में
हो जाएगी,
problem,
बिकेगा ही नहीं खत्म
बिल्कुल
कर
नहीं.
सैंपल सेट दिखा दिया जी, मालूम पड़ा प्रोडक्ट जो डिलीवर हो रहा है वो समथिंग एल्स.
तो कुछ और ही है बिल्कुल. अगर आप डॉक्टर्स बिल्डर्स नहीं होते तो फिर क्या होते?
नहीं, आपको पूछना चाहिए बिल्डर नहीं होते तो क्या होते, डॉक्टर होते.
दोनों कैंसिल कर दिया. इसी चीज बताइए आप डाइवर्सिफाई कहाँ करते हो? अगर
एजुकेट करते हैं लोग.
अच्छा, एजुकेशन में आते में भी. It's satisfying.
टीचिंग इज another very good.
Very true.
Yeah, same.
Education. Doctors, how do you juggle between both the professions? Being a builder, being a doctor, just in one line.
Time discipline.
Okay.
Time discipline.
Time discipline. I'll take that.
It is because in one line you cannot express anything.
I'll give you 4 lines, sir. No problem.
So it is a system to be developed.
Yeah.
If it is in system, then it is easy to operate.
Okay. So creating a system
Creating
is
a
the key.
system is the
Okay. Fantastic. All right. Okay. Apex Buildtech in one line now. Even more difficult, maybe.
honest commitment.
Honest 2 words, even better. Amazing.
Stick to commitments.
If you are committed to whatever you do in life, you are sorted. You're successful.
Yeah.
Amazing. Okay. One more question that I just thought of. You know, जो आजकल सरिया जो लगाते हैं बिल्डिंग्स के अंदर, उसमें भी बहुत सारी क्वालिटीज आती हैं. And a lot of these builders who are not so known, who are, who are actually known also compromise on the saria. In fact, what is the difference between the good and a bad saria?
Saria bad तो नहीं होता.
हाँ. Not so good.
उसकी tensile और ductility may vary.
Okay.
Strength may vary. There are 2 types of steels. One is primary and another is secondary.
Okay.
So primary is extracted from iron ore.
Hmm.
And secondary is जितने जो स्टील मान लो यूज हो गए हैं उनको गला के किल्ट बना के उसके
Okay.
रिफर्बिश करके दोबारा स्टील बना देंगे.
All right.
सो इट इज बेटर कि प्राइमरी आयरन ओर से जो एक्सट्रैक्ट किया हुआ स्टील है, इट गिव्स अ हाई प्रॉपर जो उसकी फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी है, जो अर्थक्वेक रेजिस्टेंस जो हम कहते हैं सिस्मिक जोन 5 में आना चाहिए,
Okay.
ताकि कोई अर्थक्वेक आया तो मान लो बिल्डिंग शेक करती है, इट शुड नॉट कोलैप्स.
All right.
It is better to use primary steel.
But that's-
Both the steels are
Steels.
steels.
So इतनी कोई बनाने वाली बात नहीं है, but it's always better to use the iron or steel, which is the primary steel.
primary.
like that. I'm
वो
sure
naked
you-
eye से नहीं देख सकते, कोई भी client नहीं देख सकता.
Okay. But then
But
how,
it is a trust. So who is the builder? You have to trust him.
but
Whatever he
can
is saying,
can the buyer go into the building and see कि सरिया कौन सा लगा रहे हैं at least, and then Google it and figure out that वो primary और से लिया गया है? Will that help?
Yeah.
That should
but
help,
it is
right?
on the initial stages. If the structure is complete, you cannot see the.
You can't see at all.
You just have to trust the
You have to
builder.
trust.
Yeah. Trust is the key. So important because it's your hard-earned money, your
Very
lifetime
true,
savings
very
that is
true.
going into it. You better don't be penny wise pound foolish and use the best and go to the builder.
और
and give him
आजकल
the best.
बिल्डिंग का एक फ्लोर बिकता है, तो आपको 20 साल बाद अगर उससे परेशानी हुई स्ट्रक्चर से, तो इट यू आर स्टक अप देन.
You start.
Because उसके occupant 4 हो जाते हैं.
Yeah.
You
Yeah.
cannot do anything.
Okay, for our listeners who are planning to buy a home, what advice would you guys give? Of course, चमक धमक को बोल जाइए, main चीज है, और कुछ आप कहना चाहेंगे? If you can figure out the steel, even better.
Find a trustworthy builder.
Okay.
जिसको आप, जैसे हम डॉक्टर हैं ना, हमारे पास एक आदमी आता है, कह रहा है जी ऑपरेट कर दो, मैं ठीक हो जाना चाहिए हूँ.
हाँ.
ऐसे ही घर बना दो, मुझे घर डिलीवर हो जाना चाहिए.
जी.
So it is a trust.
Yeah. Reference इस्तेमाल कीजिए.
बिल्कुल.
बस ऐसे मत चल जाइए किसी के पास मतलब. And I realize that there are a lot of builders who have trust issues. So I think completely avoid कीजिए. 2 रुपए बचाइए मत, सुकून पाइए.
बिल्कुल.
Exactly.
वैसे भी market has become so competitive now.
I think trust lost once is lost forever.
Lost forever.
Okay, as builders, what are the biggest challenges that you guys face in Delhi?
Pollution की वजह से ना कंस्ट्रक्शन बंद हो जाती
हाँ,
है.
Grab 3 लग जाता था pollution. Grab 2 में भी लग जाता pollution तो मेरे ख्याल से आप कभी भी नहीं कर सकते. Grab 3 पे आप नहीं कर सकते construction. वो challenge तो होता
तो
है.
ये एक बहुत बड़ा इशू है. प्रोजेक्ट डिले हो जाता है, लेबर अपने घर से ले जाती है.
Any government issues as well that you guys face sometimes that you think that अगर वो बेहतर होता तो और would have been easier?
There are so many challenges.
हम्म.
आपको पड़ोसी के साथ बना के रखनी है.
बहुत जरूरी है.
उसको
वो complain करते हैं तो.
उसको डिस्टर्बेंस नहीं होनी चाहिए. Most of the activities in the construction work are to be monitored. Otherwise, it becomes difficult.
Should not be
Should
convenience.
not be
Inconvenience to others.
inconvenience to us.
And anything else that you can think of? Any government challenges that you face sometimes that you just would think that if would have been better, timelines would have been better because of that particular reason or something. ऐसे कुछ दिमाग में आता है आपके?
Government issues नहीं आते until and unless you are doing some illegal construction or something which you are. So we don't do such activities. So there is no government issues.
Keep it simple.
We make the buildings by law.
Keep it straightforward. Keep it simple. कोई tension नहीं
कोई
होगी.
टेंशन नहीं.
Government support.
जी. So, if you guys were customers yourself, what would you advise, give an advice to a customer? कि आप एक अंडर कंस्ट्रक्शन वाली जगह लें कि एक कंस्ट्रक्टेड जगह लें?
देखिए, 2 तरह के कस्टमर्स हैं. अंडर कंस्ट्रक्टेड बिल्डिंग्स में समटाइम्स आपको एक अच्छी वैल्यू पे, अच्छी प्राइस पे फ्लैट मिल जाता है.
True.
सेकेंडली, आप उसमें अपने हिसाब से मॉडिफिकेशन करा सकते हैं. सपोज इफ आई डोंट वांट अ रूम, एक्स्ट्रा रूम, आई वांट टू लीव. इफ इट इज अ 3 bedroom हाउस एंड यू वांट टू गेट इट converted to 2 bedroom house, you can do it very easy. Because construction के समय में तो any alteration, modification can be possible.
True.
तो ये दोनों तरह की चीजें हैं. अगर आप ready to move in flat ले रहे हैं तो उसमें आपके पास कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है. जिस तरह की कंस्ट्रक्शन हुई पड़ी है उसी में आपको एडजस्ट करना है अपना.
तो वायरिंग वगैरह सब कुछ चेंज करनी पड़ेगी, दीवार तोड़नी है.
अंडर कंस्ट्रक्शन फ्लैट में इम्पोर्टेंट ये है कि बिल्डर ट्रस्टवर्दी हो, जो आपको प्रोजेक्ट दे दे, हैंड ओवर कर दे टाइमली.
बस दिस इज द मेन इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग कि जिसको आप रिलाय कर सको और अपना काम करो.
मतलब बेसिकली a trustworthy builder is the first thing. Second thing, if you can buy it from a trustworthy builder, फिर आप ये alterations भी कर सकते हैं उसको. it will be easy और price पर थोड़ा कम मिल सकता है आपको उसको.
Exactly.
You'll help the builder, you help yourself, and you'll help mankind. Done, sir. अच्छा एक और चीज, आपका Hans के साथ experience कैसा रहा?
Hans, we are using this product for past 2 years now. The feedback is customer says it is very good product, and they are very satisfied.
हाँ, brand name भी है और
We have not used their digital locks because it's a new addition to the. But I will certainly try.
Done.
My next.
Lovely. We'll share with you the latest models that come in December.
Surely.
Similar experience?
Same. The customer feedback is very important. Even the carpenter feedback is very important. Everybody seems to be very satisfied with the product, and so are we.
Well, thank you so much, doctors. It was lovely talking to you. It's the first time we got two doctors who are builders on our Law Guru show.
So nice of you.
Thank you for being here with us. It was really a pleasure talking to both of you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Pleasure.
Okay. ये channel
Dr. Ashish.
In Faridabad, and after almost 16 or 17 years down the line, we thought we would start.
Lovely.
So that's how the idea came.
Special nephrologist became one of Delhi's premium.
तो बहुत ज़्यादा easily मिल जाता है लोगों को. Married. So really, I don't think
Very.
These big data issues.
Nobody was ready to accept it.
Happy and she's thanking me.
थोड़ी बहुत तरी महामारी भी कर दी